The material life, we keep on making we need electricity, so they make a nuclear plant. Then they have the nuclear plant, but then they don't know where to put the nuclear waste. So they're trying to ask different states, will you allow us to put our nuclear waste in a dumping ground in your state? But nobody wants to have the nuclear dumping ground, because eventually those things break and then it causes a nuclear problem. So this is going on. In the modern world, we keep making new solutions, but the solutions create another problem. If we wanted to get around faster, we had the automobile. But then the automobile required roads. Now we have the super highways. But on the highways, there's more people die in the highways than died in the whole perished in the whole Second World War. So the solution for getting around was automobile, but that's causing a lot of deaths. And even the car manufacturers say, well, we cannot neglect safety, but there's no solution for the accident. So like that, you find that always in the world, the purely material solution, which just creates another problem. It just postpones the problem. So the real solution has to be an integrated solution, which includes the material, spiritual, all the aspects. Then it's an actual solution.